Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the recorder and essentials. First, make sure the battery is charged to at least 20% or plug into power, and insert an SD card with plenty of space. Next, attach the supplied microphone or headset and set the input to mic or line in the device menu so levels are correct. Finally, choose a format, WAV 24-bit for highest quality, or MP3 320 kbps for smaller files. Set the sample rate to 44, 1 kHz before. Once powered and formatted, you focus on levels and capturing clean audio. Adjust the input gain so peaks sit around -6 dB to prevent clipping, and engage the pad or limiter for loud sources. Make sure you monitor through headphones to hear real time. Reposition the mic if you detect distortion or noise. When ready, hit record, use pre-roll or a countdown to sync performers or sources, then watch levels and make small gain tweaks between takes to preserve headroom. To finish, stop the session and save files immediately, naming or timestamping them so you can find takes later. You should review critical portions by playing back through headphones, normalize or listen at Unity to confirm quality and detect any issues. If you hear clipping, re-record with lower gain or engage the high-pass filter to remove rumble. If there is background hiss, try a different mic position or use a noise gate during capture. Finally, eject the SD card safely before powering down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.